welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm very excited to show you guys this natural mask that I have been loving. This is the Healing Bark's 100% natural bark powder. If you have been following my videos, you know that I love face masks, and this face mask has been widely used by women in Myanmar. They usually use this as their sunscreen, and they even use this on top of their makeup, and they even use this on their babies, so you know that this is very safe even for sensitive skin. It's made from THANAKA tree. Traditionally, the bark of the THANAKA tree will be grinded in a stone plate with water to form this paste, and women in Myanmar would put it on their faces as sunscreen. And Healing Bark has made it easy and accessible for us by making that THANAKA tree bark into a powder form, so we can easily use this at home. This mask has antioxidant. It is rich with vitamin E, which protects the cell structure of the skin from the damage effects of free radicals and pollutants. In addition to this, it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to treat acne. So my face needed so much TLC because when I went on vacation, I indulged in all the oily foods and I forgot about my skincare routine because I was just very sleepy at the end of the day from all the activities that I was doing. So when I came back to Canada, I started using this. So when you purchase this mask, it will come with a bowl where you can mix the powder and water. It also comes with a measuring spoon and a spatula. It's easy to use. Just mix the powder with water. And you can play with the measurements as long as you get this pasty consistency. I use a brush and then I just spread the mask all over my face, and instantly I can feel the cooling effects of this mask. It's very comfortable on. It's not like the other mask that I have tried that is very tight on the face. It's very cooling. I love it. When you feel so tired, the cooling effect really refreshes you. And I have been super busy this week, so it's a good mask to have. So this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. It has dried and it turned into this light yellow color. And when it was on my face for 10 minutes, it's really giving me that cooling effect, so it's very comfortable on. It doesn't really pulsate on my skin. It just really feels very comfortable. So they say that you can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes more before I wash this off, and I'm gonna show you the results. So I washed the mask off, and instantly what I noticed was my skin feels smoother. I guess because the powder is acting kind of like a microfoliant because of the small beads on it, on the powder. So my face feels like it has been exfoliated. Also notice that my skin looks so much brighter than before I used it. Overall, I think that my face just feels really calm. I don't see any redness. It really brightened up my face, and it really controlled the oil on my face. I'm going to use this 2 times more, so I'm going to use this 3 times a week, and I'm going to update you what it does on my face. And you'll see this is how my skin looks like before, and this is how my face looks like the first time I used the mask. And this is how my skin looks like the second time I used the mask, and this is how my skin looks like now. As you can see, the redness on my face is almost gone. I don't seem to be oily throughout the day, and my skin just looks so much calmer and smoother. I love that this mask is naturally made, so I know that it can be suitable for people with dry skin, people with oily skin, or even people with sensitive skin. So if you have been looking for a face mask that is 100% natural, and if you have the same skin concerns as I have, I'll be putting the link here, and I'll also be putting the link down below on where to get this mask. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.